I'm Corrie Francis Parks, and I'm from the United States, and I'm a visual artist and animator. So I make installations and short films primarily with sand, sometimes with salt. At Schmiede, we have been working on an installation in the Saline, the big room of salt, and the salt that comes and was mined here came from an ocean of 250 million years ago that evaporated and left deposits and then was buried by the mountains. And one of my research interests is deep time and how time expands when you think about the Earth rather than human time. And so we're creating an installation that's projected based and mapped in the room, made with animation that is animating the salt into some of those little creatures that you might find in that ancient sea. I've always been someone who likes to go outside and likes to be in natural areas, particularly the mountains. And working with sand has helped me feel more connected to the Earth, and particularly to the geology and the timeline of the Earth. So thinking about, how long the Earth has been around for 4.5 billion years, thinking about how long humans have been around, maybe 100, 200,000 years, and all that's happened in between when humans were not here has shifted my perspective a little bit about what climate change is about. It's not so much about us trying to save the Earth or trying to necessarily stop something from happening, but it's more about us trying to preserve ourselves as a human species and to preserve our place on the Earth and how we fit into the environment. So I think that's a mindset shift of how we can approach climate change and how we can approach kind of our relationship with the world that maybe will help us come up with solutions that are practical and achievable in the time that we have before we go extinct. Hopefully not.